We just listed this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on almost 2 acres with a big detached 3-car garage for hobbies or additional parking. It also has an in-ground cage pool here in Pine Ridge, one of Citrus County's most popular communities. This home is 2,300 square feet living area, plus the existing extra deep 2-car garage. Gorgeous yard. Let's say caged in-ground pool in the back here. Ample parking. It's on county water, but it also has a well for irrigation. Loaded with upgrades inside. Granite countertops, high ceilings, gorgeous fireplace, lots of amenities. And this one's just listed for $425,000.